A cat house.
A cat house?
Well, as close to the cat house as it could be.
I'm making a cat house today. I was gonna do this project later, but I stumbled across this piece right here. Beautiful, I couldn't pass it up. I was like, you know, when those TV shows where you drive past something and then you realize, oh shit, I probably need to get that. You reverse back. That's exactly what I did. And this piece is so fundamental right here. Like, I was gonna craft this, like from little pieces of scrap. I was gonna craft something like this, but it saved me so much time. So now that I have the frame, there's only other few things I probably would weld onto this, just like more supports and stuff like that. There's one of my cats right there. She's gonna love this. But since I already have the frame, there's less things I need to weld and prep and shit like that, and the rest just involves scrap woods. Yeah, this is gonna be a completely scrap project. I always, for some reason, I feel like every time I need to build something, the things I need to build or the things I need that would work for that situation is always near me. I don't know what it is. It's happened since I was a kid. Ever since I was a kid, I feel like every time I need something built or I need something to help me with something, there's tools or things nearby that can be used to get that job done. And that's what's happened for a while. Like every project. The last cat house, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put a video of that cat house. The last cat house I built, I got lucky with the wood, the pallet woods and everything. I went out and looked for it, but it's okay. The other little pieces that I used were right nearby. They were available. That was good. I'll show you that in like an edit. I'll put that on the side so you can see how that cat house turned out. I moved from that location, so it was no longer there, and now I'm making another one, part 2. This one is gonna be up here on this window. It's gonna be right there. I'm gonna have some, I don't know, platform, maybe wood platform, and I think I'm gonna have it drop, like one section drops down so they can have a downstairs area and an upstairs area. This is being put together right now. Like, as I make this video, we're gonna start this project. So I have no idea how it's actually gonna turn out. I just know it's gonna look good. And I get to do a little welding, so I'm happy about that. All right, let's go ahead and do this.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we got the basin. Actually, let me pause this video right now and cut the rest of the woods. Fuck the base. Let's cut the woods.
We got to do it together. I thought it was a joke. It is a joke.
Shit, mad work just to figure out if this would work in the first place.
The world's gonna end soon. So
Alright. Okay, obviously this is not how it's gonna be set up. but it's to see the outline on how we could set it up. So we had the floor here. That works. I want to level it out, obviously. But then the base. That's the next thing to put together, this base. And then also the walls for the base. I don't know how it's going to all look just yet. From corner to corner, it is 23 and 5/8. Corner front facing 42 inches.
What you making?
A cat house.
Okay.
Well, as close to the cat house as it could be, so they could come outside. I'm not sure if you hear them. You hear them, right?
I heard him last night.
Yeah, they're so, excuse my language, they're so fucking annoying. So I decided to build something.
Like a doghouse.
Yeah, so they can go outside, and if he meows, he want to spend some time outside, then he could come out here.
Oh wow, how
Yeah.
are they going to get out?
The window, since it already has a hole in the net, I mean, I didn't do that, but since it already had it there, they could easily go in and out. And then I'm gonna have a fence or something around it so that they can have like a fence to look out of.
Further expanded the hole in the window.
No, they could literally just crawl out. Like I have another fence in there that's blocking it,
okay.
so they can't leave now. But when I remove that, they could just easily walk in and out if they want to.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it because I need to scrap wood and shit. So. 42 inches. Around bad part gets that edge. But anyway, let's do this first. We could just cut it.
And they started using chemicals, and they started using pesticides and
But we
vaccines
believed that they were telling us the truth. That's why we thought there was an FDA protecting us.
Right.
We thought there was
to make the most money possible. And then there's consequences. Well, what are those consequences? Those consequences are we're like
with that kind of shit changing. Dude, have you seen Country Hoodlums on his? It's this guy. I think his name is Ko. It's this young black man who. But now they're a fucking group together.
yeah, fun.
That's crazy.
Dude, why not throw Raytheon in there too? Throw some missiles in there. You guys can't buy out Glock too. buy out.
If they made you be a woman, would you do it?
Oh, that's fun, but saying that LGBTQ, like which one is it that's unrighteous out of that group? All of them?
Kyrie Irving when he was
That,
saying that?
yeah. They kept him on, right?
Yeah, he's still playing.
So there you go.
Different situations. Yeah.
Because they probably have a signal of nuclear armament. Then they probably more planets in the universe than supposedly flying around the moon. So these are the first people, 4 people, 10 days, and they're going around the moon and coming thousands and thousands of people, including like major public figures to show.
Realistic.
That's what a 30-06 looks like. Okay, in comparison to a quarter. So you look at it and compare 30-06 to 300 Win Mag. It's a large round, and it seems like it would have done more damage. And this is not my opinion. This is the opinion of many experts.
Yeah.
I agree with their opinion. It's not you.
Of the original vaccine. So it was just, and that's why.
And so he started getting like very skeptical.
Some better than this or not, they're not. I mean, I know we all have mistakes and we all do.
That would be nice. Yeah, that's the thing about turn us all trans. That's why we need to lose our gender and lose our dominant instincts. Until they get $4,000. You make
And it takes off. And
Your vehicle?
drink.
Yeah.
Because it's so weird. I can't. I mean, I've had so many conversations with people, and that's it. I mean, it's just tactics, just letting you know, letting you know that they can touch you.
yeah. So I've really worked for decades to push this out of my mind. Environment and have security people walking by, people touching it. I mean, it's an isolated, sealed, secure environment, and they were past that. So I think it had been there for a decade or decade, a long time. And these guys were instantly familiar with it, not afraid of it. Crap, and they said, no, that's just we need a reason for you. I just want to see if everything's exactly the same material. And so I saw the receipts on the crap. I don't know the receipts, but they might be. I think it'd be hilarious if they're actually something else. But I wanted to make a note, and that was restricted information too. There were other groups working on that. So they compartmentalized stuff so much. There was no change of information between any groups. I mean, you can submit a written response that your supervisor might get Dennis would have to carry over, and they would have to approve, and you get a 2 or 3 line response from the other group. But it's just that's how science works. Science rules that are in it that this material has to be. Exactly my point. And
it doesn't buckle. It's a magical material. This is I say it was metal because it was cold.
Does it look like metal? And this is
it looks like metal.
This is the Designs by Perry version of it. Is that how much does that look like it? Whereas like one thing live as the action unfolds. When momentum shifts, you can turns at dkng.co/predictions promo. This episode is big
And they called him and told him he wasn't getting paid. And it's unique to each person. So if you give out any information and they go, we heard stuff about soul catchers, we know that came from Ozark. So that's just a way where they can direct where it comes from. But
the problem is like decades and decades, generations of people working there. How many people know what the real truth is, and how many people know?
I don't know. I mean, there must. People, I mean.
The difference between that and things and better things, and also the amount of innovation that is in warfare, in war weapons. What does it look like? Like, what's the internal structure?
Working on it for years before I got there, and they were
On their own?
that was our job, to try and
Right.
rebuild that was on our own.
But what was the metal that it was made out of?
We don't know.
We don't know.
Again, the metal.
Guaranteed. From the personalized to the practical, we've got you covered with no.
I'm ready. I'm in the land of the lost, now I'm too Jack Frost. And my conscience like Constantine, the hot sauce, Jack skeleton limbs, cause I'm known to pop off. And I'm one with the force, so the saber is my soul.
Every good bitch to get that pussy.
Praying just to make it home again. All my life taking so we on the back block shitting. And we on man, you can call us tokens. Up on the block along with the 10 man, you can call us tokens. The pushing and stuff and collecting the bread, man, you can call us tokens.
I checked Allstate first and saved hundreds.
To announce that we're back for our 4th season. Every week, we nerd out on a fact.
Vice versa.
Combat sports takes center stage this Saturday with the new DraftKings Predictions app, now available in California, Florida, Texas, and more. You can make real money predictions with the DraftKings Predictions app today with code Rogan. New predictions, customers trade $5 and get $50 in predictions dollars with promo code Rogan. Don't just feel it, predict it with DraftKings Predictions. The crown is yours.
DraftKings Predictions is a CFTC registered introducing broker. Event contract trading.
The new crispy chicken crunch wraps life, a brand new classic, only at Taco Bell. Hey, I mean, it's really what I was saying before. Like, imagine if these prison companies got paid based on the amount of productive citizens.
$100, and I spent $50, and this is what I have left. And they give them a job, which is and things like that, and some need to, until a bit of tough love going on there too. People who are, would probably get us in trouble.
That have been fucked for 50, 60, 70.
Head Start programs, which are one of the first things, and partly it's because it's run by this very
Send me your location.
but this is new to me, so this is new to you, and surely it's over you. Is now on Spotify. Listen to. Jesus. It's not complete. It's not complete, but I think it's ready for at least a test to see if they can escape, how they like the environment. I'm gonna put more stuff inside, of course. I have to waterproof it a lot better, and I gotta find out how I'm gonna do that. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I have an idea, but not exactly sure how that turned out. The bag's not staying here, even though it probably would work wonders, but I think I'm gonna add something else here that's temporary. But we're gonna go inside and we're gonna let the cats test it out. So let's do it. You wanna go outside? Go outside. You like it? How do you think Beethoven's gonna like it? Let's go grab him. You're gonna really enjoy this. You're gonna really enjoy this. Yo, princess, chill out. Stop that. Stop that, princess. Go ahead, Beethoven. Hey. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Hold on, let me go talk to these cats, cause she playing. What you doing? What you doing? Why you doing that? Why you doing that? Stop that. Move. Move. Go ahead, Beethoven. Move, princess. Like it? She's an asshole, I know. Let me see from the outside. Okay. So this is how it is on the outside. You like it? Beethoven in the corner like he in trouble. That's funny. Hey, leave it. Leave it.
Or it's science fiction level technology. It's AI. It can find the guy's heart rate. So what I read is that I didn't understand the science part.
Or it means you're an actual quantum scientist.
Yeah.
Quantum.
Maybe you build like a table. You know, you're a carpenter. You remember facts, but you tend to not remember where you got the fact from. We need some kind of neural net.
Okay, so Bourdain was number one, I think.
You barely know some of the notes. You still know some of the notes. But you just know that
All right, it's finished. Final product. It looks great. I like how it turned out. The last thing I have to get is a giant umbrella so I can put it right in this spot, and I'm going to move it out from underneath that gutter. So I'm hoping that it could bend and it has space to contort. But everything is done. All that's left is to add the things that are inside. I have a cat hammock that I'm gonna add to that wall back there. Put a few toys, put a few things in that bottom area. Same here for the top. That comes later. But everything's done. That's all we care about. Got a nice handle here so I could easily pick it up and remove it. and flip it. I got the firecracker light on the top there. That is supposed to be working. I'm not sure if it works yet. That waits that solar energy charge the battery. But yeah, it's looking nice. As I'm looking at it, I'm thinking about things that I'll have to fix eventually in the future. But for now, it's all straight. Chilling? How you like it? I know he enjoys this. I haven't heard him meow as much as he's done in the past because he's out here now, so that's great.